Hello everyone, welcome to MMD Oral. Today's topic, clarification of the words not to impede as per IMO guidance and explanation of Rule 8F, not to impede. When a vessel is required not to impede the passage of another vessel, such vessel shall, so far as practicable, navigate in such a way as to avoid the development of risk of collision. Not to impede. If risk of collision has developed, the relevant steering and sailing rules shall be complied with. Rule 8F1. A vessel which by any of these rules is required not to impede the passage or safe passage of another vessel shall, when required by the circumstances of the case, take early action to allow sufficient room for the safe passage of the other vessel. Rule 8F1 clearly states that before determining risk of collision and a vessel which is required not to impede the passage should take early and positive action to avoid collision. For example, in a crossing situation, power-driven vessel 1 has obligation under Rule 8F1 and should take early and positive action to avoid collision. Rule 8F2. A vessel required not to impede the passage or safe passage of another vessel is not relieved of this obligation if approaching the other vessel so as to involve risk of collision and shall, when taking action, have full regard to the action which may be required by the rules of these parts. Rule 8F2 clearly states that when ROC exists, a vessel which is required not to impede the passage shall take such action as will result in safe passing. In this crossing situation, power-driven vessel 1 has obligation under Rule 8F1 and F2. Power-driven vessel 1 shall take action as will result in safe passing. Rule 8F3. A vessel the passage of which is not to be impeded remains fully obliged to comply with the rules of this part when the two vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision. Rule 8F states that vessel whose passage is not to be impeded will be responsible to avoid collision. We can understand by this example. So in this crossing situation, CBD has obligation under Rule 8F3 and CBD will be responsible to avoid collision. My upcoming topic: ECDIS, gyro, narrow channel situation, DSS situation, etc. You can follow me on the following platform. Link is given in the description. If you need, you can purchase latest ROR cards, ROR books, etc. Link is given in the description. Thanks for watching.